Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to get professional, personal Streamlabs OBS overlay like this. So yeah, make sure you stick around if you want to know how to make that. So first thing we're going to do is click add new source and name this whatever you want. For me, I'm going to call it gameplay. Okay, so I made my new source called gameplay. Now we want something to show on the screen. So there's two things you can do. You can either have a display capture or a game capture. So I'm gonna be showing you how to add both. A display capture shows anything on your monitor, and a game capture shows either a specific window or any full screen application. So yeah, let's start with display capture. To add that, we just click display capture, click add new source, click add new source, and then pick whichever monitor you want. For this, I'm just going to use my main monitor, and as you can see, it's on the screen. Now, game capture. What you want to do here, you want to click add new source, then click game capture, click add source, click new, add source, and then as you can see you get looking for game here. However, I think that looks a bit bad if you're on a live stream, so I like to do capture any full screen application. Now I click done, and as you can see it's here. For privacy reasons, I like to use game capture so no one can see what's on my monitor if I tab out. So yeah, I recommend using that. Now, alert boxes. What you want to do for alert boxes is clicking alert box and click add source, add new source. So as you can see, I get this page. Now just click done. To customize your alerts, you want to go into Streamlabs website. So when you're on the Streamlabs website, what you want to do is log in. So click widgets, then alert box. It'll say please log in. Just log in. As you can see, I've logged in. You'll be met with this page. Then all you want to do is click alert box. As you can see, I got my alert box. Then you want to click follows, and then you can customize it here. It'll probably be a zombie. However, if you want to change that, just click this upload bit. You might have some Streamlabs custom ones, or you can upload your own, like what I've done. Now, to customize what the thing says, you can just click message template and just say hi, but obviously I like that more, so I'm just going to keep it like that. You can also change layout. I think this one's the best. You can also change the animation. I've made it to bounce in and light speed out, as I think they're the best. And you can also add a text animation. I've used wave, as I think this looks pretty good. And yeah, so if you want to do this for all your other ones, just click subscriptions to add it there, donations and everything else. So now that you've set up your donations, what you want to do is click test widget and then test your follow. It might be a bit buggy, but then yeah, there you go, it's set up. So just test again. As you can see, it looks really nice. Now let's add a follow goal. The normal follow goal looks pretty bad in my opinion. This is the normal follow goal. I don't like to use these as I think it looks pretty bad, and what a lot of streamers do, they do it in text. So if you want to know how to do that, all you got to do is, let me just delete that, click add new source and click stream label, click add source, click new instead, add source. Then what you want to do is total follower count. Now here it'll probably look a bit something like this. Count and probably say how many followers you got. To change this, just put follower goal and then put what your follower goal wants to be. I'll make a 70 here. As you can see, it's updated there. You can also change the text, font, sorry. I will change it to American Captain. I really like them. You can also change font size, the color, and yeah, I recommend adding an outline. I'm going to be adding a outline. And I'm going to use black like that, and then click done. So let's drag this to the bottom corner where viewers can see it, and there you go, you got a follower goal. Now next thing to do, I recommend having a chat box, as viewers will see what they're typing and it might make them feel good, I don't know. But what I like to use is the theme clean, and yeah, that's mainly it. And then I just like to put this here. So yeah, and then to make it a bit less messy, I like to make a group. Just call this add-ons, and just put everything which is an add-on in there. And there you go, now you've got a professional stream which viewers will like. If this video did help you, it'd mean a lot if you could subscribe and like the video. Liking the video will get this out to other people so they can learn how to do this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, have a good day.